This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Most Audi drivers believe that turning off certain features makes the car better. More control, more freedom, more performance. But what if one of the features many drivers disable is actually designed to protect the engine and improve long-term performance? Have you ever started your Audi and immediately pressed the accelerator hard? Have you ever wondered why sometimes the car feels slightly restricted? Many drivers assume this is simply how the engine behaves when cold. But modern Audi vehicles are far more intelligent than most realize. Inside the car's control systems, there are several features designed to protect critical components of the engine. Turbochargers, oil circulation, transmission systems. These components are extremely advanced, but they also require very specific conditions to operate at their best. When the engine is cold, oil has not yet reached optimal temperature, lubrication is still stabilizing, and internal parts are expanding as they warm up. To protect the engine during this phase, Audi engineers design systems that limit aggressive acceleration and adjust engine behavior temporarily. However, many drivers misunderstand these systems. Some people believe they are unnecessary. Others think they reduce performance. And in some cases, drivers actively try to disable or bypass them. But doing so can quietly increase wear on critical engine components. Over time, this can affect things like turbo health, engine smoothness, and long-term reliability. In reality, the feature many drivers disable is one of the simplest ways to keep the engine operating safely during the first moments after startup. Understanding how it works can completely change how you drive your Audi every day. And the interesting part is that many drivers interact with this system constantly. In this video, we'll reveal the Audi feature that many drivers turn off without understanding what it actually does, and why leaving it active can help protect your engine. But before we continue, if you enjoy discovering hidden Audi features, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it helps us continue. Now let's look at the Audi feature that many drivers disable, and why doing so may not be the best idea.
The Audi feature many drivers disable without thinking is Start-Stop. Almost every modern Audi is equipped with this system, yet many drivers press the button and deactivate it immediately after starting the car. Some people find it annoying, others believe it damages the engine, and some drivers simply prefer the car to stay running at traffic lights, so they turn it off every single time. But what many Audi owners don't realize is that this system was not created only to save fuel. It is also connected to how the engine manages heat, idle efficiency, and internal stress during city driving. Modern Audi engines are designed with reinforced starters, advanced batteries, and electronic management systems that allow the engine to restart thousands of times safely. The system constantly monitors several conditions before activating. For example, engine temperature and battery charge level, climate control demand, steering movement, and traffic conditions. If any of these conditions are not ideal, the system simply stays inactive. This means the car is continuously evaluating whether stopping the engine is safe and beneficial. Many drivers believe disabling Start-Stop improves performance, but the system does not reduce acceleration. It does not limit engine power, and it does not interfere with driving when the car is moving. It only activates when the vehicle is stationary. Instead, the purpose of the system is to reduce unnecessary engine idling. When an engine idles for long periods, it continues burning fuel while producing heat and internal friction. Over thousands of driving cycles, reducing idle time helps lower stress on the engine and improves overall efficiency. Audi engineers designed this system as part of a broader strategy to optimize long-term engine operation. Modern versions are far more advanced than the early systems introduced years ago. Most drivers barely notice the restart, but there is one detail many owners never consider. When drivers disable the system every time out of habit, They may actually prevent the car from using a feature designed to improve efficiency. And while the difference may seem small during a single trip, over many years, it can become more significant than most drivers expect. But there is another interesting aspect that explains why it behaves differently depending on the situation. And understanding that behavior reveals how intelligently the car manages engine operation. Let's look at that next.
Start-stop system is how intelligent it actually is. Many drivers assume the engine simply shuts off every time the car stops, but in reality, the system analyzes multiple variables before activating. If the engine temperature is too low, the system may stay inactive. If the battery needs more charge, it will remain off. If the air conditioning requires additional power, the engine continues running. Even steering movement or slight vehicle motion can prevent activation. This means the car constantly evaluates whether stopping the engine is beneficial or not. Audi engineers designed the system to balance efficiency, comfort, and engine safety. That's why the system behaves differently depending on the driving conditions. In heavy city traffic, it may activate frequently. During cold starts or aggressive driving, it may remain inactive. Understanding this behavior helps drivers realize the system is not simply a fuel-saving gimmick. It is part of a broader engine management strategy. By reducing unnecessary idle time, the system helps limit heat buildup and internal friction during long urban drives. Over thousands of driving cycles, this contributes to smoother engine operation and improved efficiency. However, there are situations where temporarily disabling the system can make sense. For example, extremely heavy stop-and-go traffic, very short stops, and certain parking maneuvers. In these situations, some drivers prefer to keep the engine running continuously. But during normal city driving, allowing the system to operate as designed is usually the best option. Modern Audi engines and starters are engineered specifically to handle these restart cycles reliably. So the feature many drivers instinctively turn off is actually one designed to improve everyday engine operation. And sometimes, the systems drivers ignore the most are the ones quietly protecting the car over thousands of miles. If you enjoy discovering hidden Audi features, driving habits, and performance secrets most drivers never learn about, make sure you're subscribed to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it helps us continue creating videos that explain how these cars really work. And in the next video, we'll reveal another Audi system that many drivers use every day, without realizing how much it affects performance.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.